So in this one, we're told that a soccer player kicks a ball at a speed of 15 meters per second. The angle with respect to the horizontal is 30 degrees. And we're asked, how long will it take the ball to hit the ground, assuming the ball is flat? So we just need to figure out the total time it's in the air. And typically for these sorts of problems, that information will come from studying the y component of the motion. And along the y-axis, you could consider this thing to be in free fall. So the velocity is a linear function of time, and the position, the vertical position, is a quadratic function of time. So there are multiple ways you could get this answer. I think the shortest path is just to use this equation, which describes the change in the vertical position, because if you put in where it starts and where it ends up vertically, this t will be the time it took to go from this height to this height. So the time it's in the air would just be whatever time elapses in starting here and ending here. So my initial vertical position and my final vertical position are on the ground, which I'm calling 0. Now, one thing you should be careful with is this is the y component of the velocity, and I have to find that using trigonometry. So for this problem, the y component is 15 times sine of 30, which is 7.5 meters per second. So that's 7.5 t. And then this is going to give me 4.9 t squared. So if I solve for t, I can figure out the total time it's in the air. And this is a quadratic equation. Whoops. So I'm going to have two solutions. One of them, tells me it starts on the ground. The other one will tell me the total time it's in the air. I'm going to get that the total time it's in the air is 7.5 divided by 4.9. So let's just put that into a calculator. It's a number, of course, that's slightly larger than 1. So that's 1.53 seconds, and that would answer this question.